Something called Saimin, which is very common. You guys know what Saimin is?
Yes.
Everybody say Saimin?
Saimin.
Don't say ramen.
No.
What's the difference between Saimin and ramen? Because we always hear about it.
Soup.
Could be that, yes. So primarily it's the noodle type. The Saimin always has a very eggy, rich noodles in them, whereas the ramen have more of a less taste, but the soup has more taste. Okay. Saimin is a ubiquitous item in Hawaii. Can you guys say ubiquitous?
Ubiquitous.
That means everywhere, common, right? So it's so common in Hawaii. Where can you find Saimin?
Everywhere.
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Zippy's.
Okay, now what we're gonna do is a demonstration. Tutu's gonna be working the oven or stove because they don't let me touch that anymore. But I'm gonna show you real quick. So there's two kinds of noodles, okay? So these are the dry ones, okay? You buy them in the store, okay? And you can just put them in the water and they will like grow into noodles. That's if you can't get the fresh. This is the fresh noodles. Now you want to get the noodles that say egg noodles, okay? What do these say?
Egg noodle.
Can everybody say fresh Chinese noodles? Okay, here we're out. Okay, so you're making noodles like that. Look at it. Whoa! Here, Tutu. Cooking nani. So you're gonna throw that in there. Now you gotta have soup base. S&S is the primo brand in Hawaii. Okay, so all you do is take one of these, put it in there, and mix it up. You can also use the one, the chicken, the bouillon, all the other stuff, but that's junk. That's the magical component. Okay, gotta put a little bit pepper. Hey.
Don't clear checks, man.
The magic. Okay, wait. What's this? What is this? Shoyu. What's this soy sauce? Everybody say shoyu?
Shoyu.
Okay, that's only in Hawaii, okay?
I show you this.
Everybody else is going to say shoyu what? This is soy sauce everywhere else. What brand do we use? Aloha. Okay, if you want salty Kikoman like teriyaki, if you're making shoyu or making Saimin, you want to use Aloha, okay? Tutu, what you doing? Okay, falling down. Now, the magic ingredients here, okay? The magic ingredient, okay, you know what this is? Sesame oil. Everybody say?
Sesame oil.
If you don't put sesame oil, then you're making ramen. Okay? There we go. Now, one thing about Hawaii, you put everything in the kitchen sink, right? So whatever you can find in your refrigerator, you put in your Saimin, okay? So, for instance, everybody in their house in Hawaii has fish cake. Okay, this is fish cake. See that? Now, there's two brands. This one is the what? No, this is Yamasaka. No, wait, how you say that? Kamaboko. Kamaburo. Kamamaka. Got to go now. Okay. What are these? No, these are sleeves, okay. Everybody say knife?
Knife.
I got two knives. This is number 1 knife and number 2 knife.
They're actually called blades.
Okay. Oh, that's when you put them in your pocket. This is a very special one. You want to use this one when you're cutting things. Wait. Special things. Things that you don't want to stick to the blade. It has a little special indentation. Okay, you guys know what this knife is called? Okay, Santos Ku. Santoku. Okay, that's a very good knife. Okay, don't buy the cheap one. Buy the expensive one. $100. The next one. What is this knife? This is a chef knife. Everybody say chef knife?
Chef knife.
8 inches, brother. Okay. Now this one's good for doing things that don't stick. Okay. Now we're gonna cut the what? Fish cake.
Fish cake.
Okay, wait. By the way, you don't want the what? Kamaboko? You want the Hilo. The Hilo brand is better. Know why? Hilo. I don't know why. But we want the Hilo. So you cut like that. Say, whoa. Yes, he's got his own little cutting board. And you go, cut. Now, when you're cutting, don't put the fingers out. Curl the fingers in, okay? Otherwise, you're gonna cut your finger off. Okay, so then you got it like this, and then everybody go look. 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 Okay, so that's the fish cake. Okay, we got fish cake. Hey, what else you need over there?
An egg.
Oh, gosh, egg secret. If you don't put an egg in your Saimin, then you don't have egg. Gotta put the egg, that. Put another one, 2 if you're really good. Now, if you put a little bit of milk, make it nice and fluffy. If you're lactose intolerant, okay. But it's worth it. Mix them up. Little bit of pepper, salt. All right, chef, there we go. Okay, now what else we gotta put in here? Oh, not yet. Okay, what is this?
Charsu meat.
Everybody say char siu.
Charsu.
No, char siu.
Charsu.
There we go. Also known as barbecue pork. You can find this in your manapua or pork bun. Right, same thing.
Shupao.
Which one?
Here they call it
Shupao.
shupao.
Okay, so you cut them. You just put them in slices, okay? Here we go. And we go fast, okay? See, here we go fast. Wow. Okay, not too even because, you know, it's hard right here. Okay, there, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Now, what else we got? Onion. Okay, green onion. Gotta have green onion. Okay? Now, you just cut them like this. Or you go with this one too if you want. Okay? But this one's nice, the chef knife, because it has a little curve on it. You see that little curve on it? Everybody say curve?
Curve.
Okay, so you can rock. Say rock. Okay? So rock. And if you're very fast, you go all the way down. But I can't go very fast because I'm up here. I don't want to cut my finger off. So there's your green onion, okay? Now, the last thing I have all kinds of stuff here. What else I have over here? Uh-oh. Everybody say spam?
Spam.
Is the man. Okay. Now, that's the only reason why you have spam in your house is for what?
Saimin.
Masubi? Okay, I take that. Okay, what else? Right, okay.
Brown rice and egg.
Okay, mac and cheese.
Filipino fried
Okay,
rice.
spam is required. And if you're extra good, you have Vienna sausage in your house too. But now,
Yes, say that.
the beauty of spam, no one knows what it's made of. Huh?
Yeah.
So all you gotta do is cut them up, right? Cut them up, like that. The thin slices. Now, you want to throw your spam inside your soup because it needs to be cooked a little bit or it's gonna not taste as good. So you just cut them up. It's just falling all over the place here. I'm making dice. Okay. So anyway, this is it. Tutu.
Are you ready?
Nope. Yep. I'll trade you. Throw it right on there. Here, I'm gonna give you this. This is all yours. Look. Put that in the soup. Okay. Here's it. Oh.
Don't cut the alloy plant. The burnt fingers.
Okay. Now, the problem is you want to make nice pieces, right? The stinking egg always come out round. So after you make the egg, all you have is this much left. Okay, then you just cut like that and go done. Put that right there, okay? Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. This you give to the dogs. Okay. How we doing over there? Okay, let's put it together. And after this, I have a special cooking demonstration right after this. Okay, so here's your bowl. So, okay, there's got to be a Saimin bowl, okay? If your Saimin bowl is clean and no stains, it's no good. Okay? You gotta have a, see this one, you use it, okay? Okay. So you're gonna make it, what are you doing in there?
You want noodles in here?
Yeah, throw them in there. Put some soup in there too.
Don't worry.
Uncle's being impatient.
Nice. Okay. What's going on here? Okay, we're gonna learn how to cut an onion.
Stay over there.
Stand back.
Katie, don't get close.
Stand back because I'm gonna cut an onion.
There you go. Come on, back away, Katie.
Okay. Here she comes. Okay.
It's hot.
Right to the front.
Everybody get away from that.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Now make it look pretty.
Stop making it pretty.
Ah.
This is nice.
Stop
You
making
gotta
it
make a
pretty.
decoration. You gotta make it like a smile. One. Okay,
Stop
remember only
making it
4
pretty.
pieces of egg inside. That's all you allow.
Only 4.
Stop making it pretty.
Takahashi Saimin said only 4 pieces.
Uncle's like
Stop making it pretty.
the guy for what do you do, Uncle, for Coast Guard? You're like running all the
Stop making
divisions.
it pretty.
Captain.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, only 4 egg, no more.
Okay. In case of emergency, right? What kind of egg? What kind of noodles are these?
Chinese.
No good.
noodle.
Okay, you want egg noodle. Okay, little char siu.
Stop making it pretty.
Oh, you cheap.
Well, you said only 4.
Bam.
Uncle's, yours can only have 4. Uncle can have all he likes.
Okay.
Bam. All of them.
Yeah,
Just
throw
throw
it.
it in there.
Now the most put that green onion.
Hold it on.
Right is wrong. Let's go.
See those shrubs?
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna tilt the bowl. Everybody look ready? I'm gonna tilt the bowl.
Magic.
You can't tilt the bowl.
Okay, you can go show them. Be careful. It's hot.
That was beautiful and yummy.
Wait, those are so
Oh.
I had that once
That's
before.
extra large.
My dad made that before.
Great.
My dad made that before.
Okay.
You know how to make it.
Bonus cookie demonstration. What is this? Okay, everybody say round onion.
Brown onion.
49 cents a pound.
49.
Okay. I'm going to show you how to chop an onion, okay? If you don't know how to chop, who knows how to chop onion? Okay. Everybody remember, there's a top. So everybody say top.
Top.
And then the bottom or the root. Say root.
Root.
Okay, don't touch the root. Okay, root stays good. Okay, what first you want to do, we're going to chop, right? Dice. You want to cut the head off, okay? Right there. The top, see? We're going to cut that off. Don't cut the root. It's not going to work.
Always cut the root first.
There, okay. See that?
No,
Okay. This is what happens when you stay out in the sun too long. You peel, okay? This is what happened? Did you use SPF 500?
when you go to exfoliate, that's what
Okay. Okay, there we go. See, beautiful. Everybody say beautiful onion.
Beautiful onion.
Okay, now clean the table here. Okay. Now, where the root is, go right down. Way.
Ah.
Okay. Now, what you want to do is cut, okay? What I'm doing. Oh, the noodle?
Yeah.
There we go.
There
Now,
Oh,
we
you
go.
really want to learn something today.
Yes, we actually can learn.
So you want the root facing away from you, and you want to put thin slices, okay? Thin slices. So you go like this, there, there. Now, why you want the root? Because the root holds it together, see? Ooh. It don't have to be fancy, okay? Then you get on this side here, you go this way too, but don't cut your finger, right? Oh. Okay.
there we go.
Okay, now, once you do this, you go like this.
God.
Look, see?
Ariel, listen.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's a mess. Right here on
Okay. Oh, enough of that. Woo, I'm drowning. Okay, look.
Ooh. Look at that. Nice. Even with
Yeah, hard way, my whole life.
Oh,
Right? Me too.
Yes.
you know, but this is good, but sometimes it still gets through, so you get a special onion that's very strong, and you pull out the super.
There we go.
Oh! diced onions. Whoa!
Nice.